Hello everyone, I'm Linda with Uniquely Done. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. Okay, today's video is going to be on a delivery that I received. As you know, I'm a crocheter. Um, Furls Crochet Hooks came out with a new hook. It's Purple Heart, and with purple being my favorite color, of course. Even though the hook looks a little pinkish on the picture, just the fact that it was called purple meant I had to get one. So it came today. Go ahead and open it. Yes, I'm using scissors to open it. This is a pair of my cut anything scissors. I like keeping it over near me so that if I'm cutting little batting squares, I can use this one. Or if I'm cutting a piece of vinyl or anything like that, they're not my fabric scissors. Okay. Oh, look, the mess back there. I was sewing something earlier and just left the threads and stuff sitting there. We have a box this size for something this size. And I understand it because some of their hooks are resin hooks, which means they can get dry and broken. Sorry about the paper. Oh, there's the hook. It's a wooden hook, and it's called Purple Heart because that's the type of wood that it's made out of. It's a Furls streamline, and there's the furls. I think I'm really going to enjoy using this. I have a couple other of their hooks. At this point, it's really not my favorite because they're a little shorter in a way than I like when I'm using some yarns. It's one of my daughter's favorites, though. She has a whole set. Let me get a small bottle of yarn and do a few stitches. It's a size J because that's my favorite hook. Okay. I was looking for the engraving. Usually on the Furls hooks, it has like the little logo for the company big and then the size in it. I see the size etched in, but it doesn't have the logo on it. Hmm. Nah, I'm not crazy about it. I can make myself get used to it, but it's not as smooth as I would like for it to be. Okay. Nah, I like it okay. I mean, I don't hate it. I could use it if I had to, but it's not my favorite hook. If I got more of the Furls hooks, it wouldn't be of this one. I have okay, I have these two. As far as the feels go, I think I like this one better of the two, of the three that I have. And see, and I'm thinking it may be because it's a metal end. This is a smaller size hook too. This yarn is split and is snagged. I probably did it because I have it coming out of a basket that I have some whips in. See, now this one, of the three, I actually like this one the best. But these are the ones that I have right now, though. This is Streamline. If I'm not mistaken, this is an Odyssey. And I forget what this style is called. I'd have to go to the website and look it up. But these are my furl hooks. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoy the content. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever I put up another video. And I'm planning to do another video at some point showcasing my favorite crochet tools and another one with my favorite knitting tools. But give me a little time for me to get that together. Thank you for watching.